Hi, today we are to solve this problem which is sum of subarrays. Okay, so there is a beautiful mathematical intuition behind it. That is why I wanted to record a video on it. Uh, so you see, so the problem is asking about how can we uh, generate all of the subarrays and have calculate the sum of all of those subarrays. Okay, so the brute force approach that comes into our mind is like first generating all of the subarrays and then calculating the sum of it. But generating all of the subarrays would take around n square of time complexity. Okay, so there is a uh, mathematical calculation and this observation that I did. I wanted to share it to you. So let me take you to my note. Okay, so if we take this array, if we take this array as input, okay, so what our approach is gonna be is for each of the element we'll be considering the left window and the right window. Okay, so the left extreme and the right extreme. Okay, and with that we'll be somehow counting all of the permutations of the subarrays that can be made using that element. Okay, so once we know the count of that occurrence of that element now, we can multiply with that element and we would get like these many times one appeared in these many arrays. Okay, so this is how we are going to proceed. Okay, so for so we'll be iterating linearly in this case and we'll be getting the answer. So let me so if you take one if we take one first element. Okay, if we take one, then what would happen is left of it will be considering one also in the left and also in the right. So left of it will be only one. Okay, and right of it will be all of the subarrays will be like 1 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 3 4. Okay, so there are four subarrays that can be made in the like right side uh, and left side only one. So uh, if we cross multiply this left into right, okay, we will be getting all of the permutations of the arrays. Okay, all of the combinations of the arrays. Okay, so if we multiply it by like, okay, so one will be the one array. Okay, 1 and 2, 1 2 3, and 1 2 3 4. Okay, uh, you won't be able to visualize this, so I'll take some another example. Okay, so let's take 3. So if we take 3, so first we are taking this and taking generating all of the surveys using this. Okay, so 1 2 3 we are taking 3 is already there, so we won't consider. Then 1 2 3 and 4. Now 2 3 2 3 2 3 4. Now 3 and 3 4. So you see, if we multiply 3 into 2, we'll be getting 6. Okay, that is how uh, much times this is coming also, right? 3 into 6. So this is so we'll be iterating for each of the index and we'll be calculating the sum plus equal to uh, array I into left into right. This will give us the answer. Okay, so I hope you get the intuition. If you want to see the next example, then it would be this. Okay, so if you take 1 2 3 4 5, left of it will be only one, right of it will be like 5 times. So there are 5 elements, so 5 times subarrays, and then for 2 we'll be having two kind of arrays. Okay, and right of it will be like four kinds of arrays. Okay, and left of three will be having three, right of three will be having uh, three kind of arrays. Okay, like this. So we can then sum it up. Okay, like 1 into 5, then this will be 2 into 2 into 4. Okay, then this will be 3 into, yeah, and this will be 4 into 2, 5 to 1. Okay, so sum of it will give us the answer. Now take you to the code. So what I did is we actually the numbers are quite large. Okay, so that is why we are dividing it by modulo. You see, it the array size is 10. Array element could be of order 10 to the power 9. Okay, so when we are summing it up, it might happen that it goes out of the maximum value of the integer array. Okay, integer element. So that is why we are dividing it by modulo. So like at each element, uh, at each process operations. Okay, so we are taking a temporary value. Okay, that would be the left will be I plus 1 and the right will be n minus I. Okay, so we are multiplying it and then calculate dividing it by mod, so it will be in the range, and then again we'll be multiplying it by array I, that element, and dividing by the mod. Okay, and then summing it up and dividing by the mod. So I mean, yeah, I think you get the idea, right? So if I submit it, it passes all the cases. Okay, so yeah, see you in the next video.